How to remove someone or friends from a shortcut on Snapchat. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can remove someone from a shortcut on Snapchat. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Snapchat application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, now to remove someone you have to get to the chat piece. So tap on the chat icon or friends icon from the bottom left corner. Now once you're here, swipe down a little bit. Now at the top of this interface, there is a small menu bar with an option such as all, on read, groups, on replied. So you can swipe that to your left. And at the very end, there you will have an option that says new or add. Tap on new. Now it says edit shortcuts. So under this pop-up box you will be able to find your shortcuts. So select the shortcuts from where you want to remove the friend. For example, I have one shortcut right here. So once you're here, you will see your friends that is added to your shortcuts. Here, scroll down and then search for someone whom you would like to remove from the shortcut. For example, I have this account right here. So all you have to do is uncheck or deselect. Once you do that, you can simply tap on save, and with that this account will be removed from this shortcut. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.